I know you never understand why I played you like a game. I know you never understand why.
Yes, sir.
I don't even know what I said, so we have to play that back.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I never
Shante Mo.
That's so dumb.
That bass to it.
Should I keep the piano on there? Or is it
Which one?
The same piano part?
It depends. It depends on how these next sounds are placed in the track. You know.
This bridge is turning into a masterpiece. The bridge.
Please tell them.
Can I
Please tell them.
Right. Like, bridge. That's my thing. Whew. That makes the song.
Exactly.
Like I need the bridge to be amazing. So it's so bad that right now I have a second verse in the bridge and I can't start the song. I'm so mad. Oh well. We'll work it out.
It's gonna be one of those talking.
Nate is inspiring me.
Hey son, you gotta hear a couple of them like piano ideas I was playing last night.
Nah, we good. We're gonna get that joint right on after.
It's this one joint. The joint is actually meaning the way I want to say the joint. It's like, that joint chill, gave me the chill.
Hey, man, go ahead and explain to them what we're doing right now. Just let them know.
Oh, okay. So, Cynergy Music Group, yeah, in the lab, are with our man over here, Mr. Greenaugh, nice producer.
Peace.
Peace time. I haven't quite come up with a cool producer name. Yeah.
I miss more to you.
Please.
You also follow me on Twitter.
Exactly. I was just about to say that too. Sick songwriter. She's blessing us right now for being a part of what we are trying to do at this camp.
It's not just me, it's us.
Exactly.
We are making history.
She's like a general in the army.
Yeah, you know, I gotta lead my boys.
Exactly.
I'm gonna lie, the vibe is real crazy in here, you know what I'm saying? Like, the vibe
every night.
It's every night, and even right now, off the...
Every day.
Yeah, it's crazy. And so, making up a bridge now for this track that my brother, Mr. BK. Made. The joint's fire. To say the least. So we're just making a little small bridge, like smoothed out part to get back into the hype part of the track. I'm not even sure we're really supposed to be name dropping right now.
Nah, we ain't got name drop. Be straight.
Just
smart move.
Let's kick it up and play the intro for him. Just kind of let them know what it's going to sound like.
Okay. If it's crunchy, excuse that.
Oh, please.
It actually doesn't. About to get it.
Ready for it.
Sing a little something.
Oh, we're gonna sing a little bit.
Yeah, this is going freestyle and drink.
You want to love, I want to have fun. You should have listened to your mama when she told you to run. 'Cause I'm the kind of girl. Sorry to tell you, baby. I'm the kind of girl. I know you can't believe it.
Good Lord. Synergy Music, let's do it. Synergy Music Group out in this joint.
It makes it easy to write. Like,
Exactly.
When you have tracks like this, whew, the song is writing for me.
Right. Yes. All right. We'll let y'all hear the finished product. Hopefully later on. We'll see.
Soon enough.
All right.
God is a good guy.
Exactly.
God is a good guy. Yes,
yeah, this joint is right. We making this for Dottie people.
Exactly.
She coming out with a new album. Dottie people's going to blaze this.
Exactly. BET award and everything, that joint. We out, man.
Cynergy.